In this video, we're going to show you how to make entire edited videos with a single text prompt using Invideo AI's new V3 release. Let's go. If you've never tried Invideo AI, it's unlike any of the AI video generators out there. It does more than Runway, Sora, Pika, and all the other main AI tools, because rather than just generating individual clips, with Invideo you can generate things like fully narrated social media videos and even entire YouTube documentaries with a single text prompt. Unlike traditional video tools that have steep learning curves that only solve part of the video creation process, Invideo is like having a creative partner that actually makes the video with you. Just head over to invideo.io and type in what kind of video you want. A YouTube documentary about the genius of Leonardo da Vinci. Make sure to select Use Only AI Clips if you want AI generated videos, and then click Generate. Invideo will then let you make a few selections to narrow down what you want, and then start generating the fully edited video equipped with AI video clips, narration, music, sound design, captions, and more. Once it's done generating, you can play it back to see how you like it.
I've always been fascinated by the Renaissance, a time when art and science collided in spectacular ways. And at the center of this collision stood one man, Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo's artistic prowess is legendary. The Mona Lisa, with her enigmatic smile, and The Last Supper, a masterpiece of composition and emotion, are just the tip of the iceberg. Leonardo wasn't just painting pretty pictures. He was using art as a tool to understand the world around him. His countless sketches of human anatomy weren't just artistic studies. They were scientific investigations. Leonardo was peeling back the layers of reality, trying to understand how things worked from the inside out.
From here, this is where Invideo gets really interesting. You can actually make edits to the video simply by typing what you want changed into the edit command box. Let's do change the music to be more cinematic. Once it's done, you can review the changes. You can even do things like change the styles of the captions. Make the captions smaller. If you really want to fine-tune your project to what you want, you can do what we do and go shot to shot, changing them out until you get exactly what you're looking for. Just click Edit Media, and you can swap out any of the clips with stock footage from their library of millions of royalty-free stock assets. Or you can generate new clips using AI by just typing in what you want. This includes an edit music option where you can browse a library of music to find the perfect track for your video. You can even upload your own clips to replace any of the clips in the video itself. This makes the role of Invideo AI sort of like having a dedicated editing assistant. One of our favorite things to do is create a few generations of the project, and then whichever one is the best starting point, use that to make more refined changes to get the finished video. If you don't like the narration, for example, you can always just ask Invideo to change it. Change the narration to be more serious. If you want to get even more precise, there's an edit script feature that allows you to customize your script to exactly what you want. If you're a content creator, Invideo is especially great because you can just request the aspect ratio to be changed for social media. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Just change out any shots that don't look as good in that aspect ratio using the same edit media feature we showed you earlier, and now you have a social media version of your video ready to be posted to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. You can also translate your video into over 50 different languages. Just type in something like translate video to Spanish, and all the narration and captions will be changed over to the new language in a matter of moments.
La destreza artística de Leonardo es legendaria. La Mona Lisa con su enigmática sonrisa.
You can even clone your own voice right inside Invideo and have it use an AI replica of your actual voice for the narration. This is perfect for business owners and thought leaders who want to make content, but maybe video creation isn't really their specialty. This allows you to still have the creative control of being in the director's seat while having a creative partner that does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus entirely on your vision and bringing your ideas to life. You can try Invideo AI for free, but if you want to use their generative capabilities, we highly recommend that you go for their generative plan, which starts at $96 a month. It's the one that we use, and it gives you the most bang for your buck with 15 generative minutes. This could save you hundreds of dollars and countless hours that you would spend on shooting, editing, narrating, looking for music, B-roll, and more. And what's cool is that if you're already an Invideo user, you can just go to the add-on section and buy generative seconds. If you want to try it out, click the link in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.